Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 262 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like guys. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to clear Roblox cache from both our browser and our computer. To do this, open up browser, select the three dot icon over here and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side just scroll down and select third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. Search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and delete it guys. After clearing it, just close out of here. Now to clear Roblox cache file from our computer. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window, type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. In here you just need to search for temp folder guys, double click on it and search for Roblox folder, right click on it and select delete it guys. No need to worry because deleting this file won't it harm our game or account guys. After deleting it, close out of here. We have cleared Roblox cache files guys. Now we will change Roblox compatibility settings. To do this, right click on the Roblox player and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator. We do this because sometimes we may encounter such problems when we don't run program as an admin. We have completed first solution guys. Now we just need to apply the save changes. Now the changes take effect. We just need to restart our computer guys. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your computer, check your problem is solved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox, but do it correctly can fix the problem guys. To completely uninstall Roblox, we need a small program. To download it, open up browser, search for Geek Uninstaller, click on the first official website. Click on the download option. Click on the zip file 2.52 MB. Open the file guys, downloaded file. Double click on the Geek application. Select yes. Now in here you just need to search for Roblox. Right click on it and select uninstall it guys. Roblox has been uninstalled. Click on OK. Scanning for leftover files. These are Roblox leftover files guys. To delete it, click on finish and continue the process guys. Now we have completely uninstalled Roblox guys. To reinstall Roblox, close out of here. Now after logging to the Roblox account, you just need to click on any games over here. Now click on the play option. Click on open Roblox and select yes. Now select the download and install option and download it guys. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. After getting installed done, now check your problem resolved or not guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.